to all. Dhyan Chand was born on August 29th, which is celebrated as National Sports Day in India every year. Major Dhyan Chand was an Indian hockey player and the greatest hockey player in the history of the sport. He was known for his extraordinary goal scoring feats, in addition to earning three Olympic gold medals in 1928, 1932, and 1936. During an era where India dominated field hockey, he was born on 29th August 1905 at Prayagraj, Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. His full name was Dhyan Chand. His nickname, the Wizard. He was awarded Padma Bhushan Award in the year 1956. He joined in Indian Army in the year 1922. Dhyan Chand's scoring is one of the best hockey player of the world that India has ever produced. He has probably been the only Indian player ever in any sport whose skills were so high that it generated a number of myths about his abilities as a hockey player. Dhyan Singh, mother Srimati Sharada and father Sri Someshwar Singh, a soldier in the British Indian Army. Dhyan Singh was drawn towards hockey at a very early age, like his father. He too enrolled himself in the army at the age of 16 and continued to play his favorite sport. Why Dhyan Chand is known as the hockey wizard? While they rested, his army mates could hear him hitting the ball at night. This was how Dhyan Chand Singh became Dhyan Chand, because he used to practice the game under moonlight. It was after this match that Dhyan Chand earned the nickname Hockey Wizard. The little Chand, that is moon, was given by his first coach, who practiced that he would one day shine like Chand. He led the Indian hockey team in the 1936 Olympics finals. The Germany's supreme leader Adolf Hitler had sought to use the 1936 Berlin Olympics to prove his theory of Aryan supremacy. He was so impressed by India's performance in the final, which India won 8-1 goal score, that he offered the post of colonel if Dhyan Chand migrated to Germany, which Dhyan Chand declared, that is the spirit of motherland. He continued playing till the age of 42. The city of Vienna, Austria, honored him by setting up his statue. The other statue of this legendary sportsman are in New Delhi and at Medak, Telangana. During 1932 Olympics match, a newspaper reporter about India's trump said, "This is not a game of hockey but magic." Dhyan Chand is in fact the magician of hockey. In 1932 Olympics, the team once again won the gold medal in the final on 11th August. India played against host United States of America. India won. The score is 24-1. That was the world record at that time. In 1936, India defeated Germany with 8-1 goal score. Dhyan Chand scored 3 goals. His brother Roop Singh played on Indian hockey team in 1932 and in 1936 Olympics. His son Sri Ashok Kumar won an Olympic bronze medal in 1972. The last years of this sporting legend were unfortunately spent the misery, largely forgotten and short of money. He died in 1979 at the age of 74 due to liver cancer. India's highest award for lifetime achievement in sport, the Dhyan Chand Award, is named after him. In connection with this National Sports Day, the Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan is organizing National Sports Day in every year by giving more priority to physical fitness of the students. That is, fitness students by organizing various programs which includes Swasth Bacche, Swasth Bharat, Fit India and Khelo India for the overall physical development of the students of Kendriya Vidyalaya. My humble request to all the parents and students, be a part and parcel of fitness activities. I thank everyone for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you one and all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
National Sports Day, 29th August 2020. Major Dhyan Chand was an Indian hockey player and one of the greatest players in the history of sports. Dhyan Chand was born on 29th August, which is celebrated as National Sports Day in India every year. On this great occasion, I would like to speak about the advantages of sports and games in one's life. The great advantage is that they combine exercise with thrill, excitement and sensation. In order that we readily take exercise, it should be made interesting. And as everybody knows, practically all kinds of games devised by man possess a certain degree of interest. Hockey, football, cricket, tennis, badminton, rowing and swimming, etc. All these and other games not only give exercise to limbs but also provide a great deal of excitement and entertainment. Not only the players but spectators feel engrossed in the game because of its suspense and unexpected turns. The sports and games give fresh energy to our limbs and also make us forget our tensions. These bring before us a new world of competition and struggle, and when they are over, we feel refreshed. Sports and games teach us coolness, courage, self-control, and the most valuable effect of sports is the cultivation of team spirit and a sense of comradeship. All manly exercises, if taken in proper measure, keep us physically fit, and we can have a sound mind if only we can have a sound body. A person who has not a sound body becomes nervous and irritable. He quarrels with others and cannot attend to anything for a long time. He cannot look at life in a calm and quiet way, but takes a sour view of life. Sports form a very important part in education. A bookworm who takes no share in sports and games is physically weak, and all his mental excellence cannot make up for his physical deficiency. Regular sports activities make us active and lead a good and healthy life. Therefore, I appeal all students to take part in sports and games and lead a healthy and productive life. Jai Hind.
The National Sports Day is celebrated on 29th August every year in memory of hockey wizard Dronacharya awardee Major Dhyan Chand. On this great day, I am reminded of the words of Stan Dodd, who quoted, "Health is a state of body and wellness is a state of being." Since ancient days, we have known that sports like archery, horse riding, chess prevailed even during the time of Mahabharata, where the skills were tested. We Indians have introduced sporting events such as archery, chess, wrestling, and kabaddi to the world. After independence, India has come a long way in improving the performances of its sports persons, be it in SAF Games, Asiad, Commonwealth Games, World Games, and even in Olympics. It is with the objective of a healthy and fit world that our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji urged the nations of the world to follow yoga for a peaceful and healthy mind of its population. Hence, the world has started to celebrate the World Yoga Day. Under the guidance of our Honorable Sports Minister Shri Kiran Rijiju, who has introduced Khelo India Khelo to provide a platform even to the traditional sports and games activities to keep the villagers fit. Similarly, KVS has always been in forefront in nurturing children, keeping in mind their overall development, providing students opportunity to participate in various sports and games activities like under Fit India, Swasth Bacche, Swasth Bharat program. As we all know, health is wealth, and surely the activities of sports and games will improve health, sportsmanship, caring and sharing, besides competitive spirit, very much essential for today's children. Some of our great personalities like Major Dhyan Chand, P.V. Sindhu, Sania Mirza, Saina Nehwal, Sushil Kumar, P.T. Usha, Abhinav Bindra, Vishwanathan Anand, and many more are an inspiration to all of us. So I urge to all the students to participate in various sports and games activities. Keep yourselves fit and healthy. Bring laurels to your KVs, to your state, and to your nation at large. Now, I'll conclude with the words of Edward Stanley. Those who think they have no time for bodily exercise will sooner or later have to find time for illness. Wish you all a happy, healthy, and a fit sports day. Jai Hind.
In this together, and we will get through this together. A very good morning to one and all present here. This is Neha Pandey of class 10th A from Kendriya Vidyalaya Bolaram, and I am standing in front of you to speak on the topic COVID-19 fitness at home. The COVID-19 pandemic means that many of us are staying at home and sitting down more than we usually do. It's hard for a lot of people to do a sort of exercises. It's even harder for the people who don't usually do exercise. But at a time like this, it's very important for all people to stay active as much as possible. WHO's Be Active campaign aims to do just that and have some fun at the same time. Remember, just taking a short break from sitting by doing 3 to 4 minutes of slight physical movement such as walking, stretching will help aid your muscles and improve blood circulation and muscle activity. Regular physical activity benefits both the body and mind. It can reduce high blood pressure, help manage weight, and reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and various cancer. All conditions that can increase susceptibility of COVID-19. It also improves bone and muscle stretch and increase balance, flexibility, and fitness. For older people, activity that can improve balance help to prevent fall and injury. Regular physical activity that can give a day a routine and be a way to stay in contact with friends and family. It's also good for mental health, reducing the risk of depression, conjunctive decline and delay of onset of dementia, and also improve overall feeling. At last, I would like to thank the school authority for giving me such a wonderful chance. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Present here. This is A. Nandini, ex-student of KV Bolaram. I studied from 4th class to 9th class still in KV Bolaram. I am a Khelo India gold medalist and junior national record holder, and I am also in junior Indian camp also. My coach name is N. Napuri Ramesh sir. He is a Dronacharya awardee and Indian coach. I got admission in 2014. Then when the principal was Rajeshwari ma'am, I am very thankful to her because she gave me a admission in this great institution. When I started my games and sports, then the principal was Srinivasulu sir. I am very thankful to him for supporting me in this games and sports. And I am also very thankful and grateful to PT sir Muttaya sir for inspiring me and supporting me for taking training under Ramesh sir. And I also especially thanks for Praveen sir to guiding me for taking the training under Ramesh sir. He is a PT of University of Hyderabad in Gachibowli. I have a request for class teachers and principals that please support the students in the curricular activities as well as studies also. And I have request for our friends that you should do hard work in everything, and you should not stop till you reach your goal. And I also want to tell one thing, that everybody says who are good in sports, they are not good in studies. That's very wrong. Who are good in studies only can play good in sports. I am the example for that I got 8.7 CGPA in 10th class. I am very thankful to our principal ma'am for giving me this great opportunity, and thank you too.
Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to wish you all a happy National Sports Day on the occasion of birth anniversary of the legend Major Dhyan Chand ji. I am Manideepa, former student of Kendra Vidyalaya. I am a throwball player and I have participated in 11 nationals, which includes 3 KVS nationals, Federation Cup, Senior Nationals, Junior Nationals and South Zone Nationals. And I've also represented India in Indo-Sri Lankan Throwball Championship Series, which was held at Sri Lanka. Sports are the integral part of humans. They play a major role in all spheres of life. Sports also helps in building up character and personality of a person. I wholeheartedly thank my coaches who have supported, guided, helped and curved me into a sports person. I am privileged to be a part of KVS Sangathan. Thank you.
Hi, केंद्रीय विद्यालय बोलाराम ब्रांच नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स डे के ऊपर सभी को बधाई हो. The National Sports Day has been named after Major Dhyan Chand, who is a legendary hockey player from India. He is famous for scoring goals at international level for the country, and he got 3 Olympic medals, that is 1926, 1932, 1936. जब ये जर्मनी के साथ खेल रहे थे तो एडोल्फ हिटलर ने मैच देख रहे थे, तो हिंदुस्तान जर्मनी को हराया. तो ध्यानचंद जी का गेम देख के एडोल्फ हिटलर ने आके ध्यानचंद को पूछा, आप क्या काम करते हैं? उन्होंने बोला, इंडियन आर्मी में मैं काम करता हूँ. क्या रैंक है? तो इन्होंने बताया कि मैं हवलदार काम करता हूँ. तो फिर एडोल्फ हिटलर ने इनको ऑफिसर रैंक का ऑफर दिया, बट ध्यानचंद जी ने पोलाइटली उसको रिफ्यूज किया. इट इज़ honor for me to work for Indian Army. So that is the spirit of Dhyan Chand ji. So that is what National Sports Day. Coming back to the Kendriya Vidyalaya. So Kendriya Vidyalaya is care of address for multilateral developments, and they give a lot of importance not only for education but also sports. So Nandini is from your school product. She went on to bring the 2 gold medals for Telangana state at Khelo India, 100 hurdles and long jump, and she created a heptathlon junior India record, and she's been selected for the Indian camp. This all credit goes to Muttaya sir. I call him Muttana because he has guided her to us to train. So the rest is the history, and sooner or later you find representing Nandini India. And I always believe some may born poor, some may born rich, but no child comes into this world without talent. So my appeal to the teachers, headmaster and staff to please find out the talent in each child and encourage them in that direction to realize their potentiality. Who knows, there may be many Virat Kohlis in the school, Milkha Singhs, P.T. Usha and Nandinis in your school. So I appeal and I say best of luck to the students and teaching staff to encourage them. Jai Hind.